Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. On the bench today, we have two well-known multimeters made by two well-known companies. The one on the left is the Ideal Industries 61-347 digital true RMS digital multimeter, and the one on the right is the Klein MM700 true RMS digital multimeter. And the reason why I have both of them on the bench today, I'm gonna just do a little comparison. But first, what I'm gonna do is call out the specifications for both meters, even down to the price and what you can expect, what both meters are expected to do, or how well they're expected to perform in certain measurements. But before we get into that, guys, I'm asking for your support of the channel. As always, I'm asking to hit the subscribe button if you like what I'm doing, if you appreciate what I'm doing. And you can do that by hitting the subscribe button, posting a comment or a question if you choose to. Hit the share button, hit the like button also. I am a licensed electrician by trade, and I'm speaking to all my technical brothers out there, HVAC technicians, electrical technicians, electricians. If you're a tool lover, I am a tool lover also. I'm asking for your support. It's for free to help the channel to grow. So I want to thank you in advance. You can do that right now by simply hitting that subscribe button located at the bottom of the screen, and you can also hit that the notification bell right next to it. All that would do is allow you to be notified with my up and coming videos. And so again, I want to thank you guys for that. And so let's get started with the video. I'm gonna call out the specifications for the Ideal Industries, and then we're gonna move on to the Klein multimeter. The Ideal Industry, this meter was released to the market November the 2nd, 2021, according to Google. And some of the specifications are, it has a drop protection of 6.6 feet. It's IP52 rated. It's an AC maximum voltage of 1,000 volts AC. It's also rated for 1,000 volts DC. It have a 10 amp AC current maximum measurement. Same for DC. It's 10 amps the maximum. Ohms, it's rated for 60 mega ohms. AC millivolts 6,000. DC millivolts 6,000. AC milliamps 6,000. DC milliamps 6,000. AC microamps 6,000. DC microamps 6,000. It's also true RMS. It has a high voltage alarm for AC, DC, anything greater than 30 volts. There's an audible continuity feature. There's a visual continuity feature. Has a very bright backlight. Temperature. When you're using the Fahrenheit measurement, it goes up to 1832, from 40 degrees to 1832. When you're using Celsius, it's from 40 to 1,000 Celsius. It has on this model, it doesn't has a low impedance. No, it does. I'm sorry. It has no. It has a low impedance. No, it doesn't on this model. I'm sorry. Anyway, they have non-contact voltage detection, auto ranging, has a range hold, data hold, has diode test, capacity test to 6,000 microfarads, frequency, duty cycle, 10 hertz to 9.99 kilohertz, has a min-max feature, a magnetic strap mount, test probe holders, auto power off, and you can also disable the auto power off feature if you choose to. It has a low battery indication, battery type. It takes three AAA batteries to power this meter up, and you have a LCD display count, 6,000 count display. You have a lead warning if you were to plug it inside the wrong input. You have no bar graft on this one, and you have a 2-year warranty. on the Ideal Industries. Okay, the price of this meter as of today, I checked it. Today's date is October the 6th, 2023. This meter right here, the Ideal Industry, will cost you $69 on Amazon. $69. Okay, so let's go to the Klein. The Klein tubes. This meter was released to the market November the 22nd, 2015, according to Google. And some of the features of this meter is AC voltage. Well, no, it's rated for IP42, and has a Cat 3 for 1,000 volts, Cat 4 600 volts. AC voltage measurement 1,000 volts. DC is 1,000 volts. AC current amps is 10 amps. DC current amps maximum is 10 amps. Ohms resistance is 40 mega ohms. DC millivolts. Let me see. Yeah, it has a AC millivolts, milliamps feature, DC milliamps feature, AC microamps, DC microamps feature. Is rated 2R. Is a true RMS multimeter. It has audible continuity feature, backlight, temperature 0 to 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's from 18 to 816 degrees Celsius. It has a low impedance feature, auto ranging feature, a range hold feature, a data hold feature, diode test. It has capacitance test for 4,000 microfarads. It has a frequency duty cycles from 1 hertz to 500 kilohertz. Has a min-max feature. Has a lead warning. Bar graph. Has a magnetic mount. Auto power off. And it has a LCD display. It has a 4,000 count display. Okay, for this multimeter. So roughly pound for pound, they are compatible. And the price for this meter on Amazon, the Klein, is $80 as of today. Like I said, today's date is October the 6th, 2023. It's $80. Now, what I'm simply gonna do, I'm gonna just give you a closer look at both meters, and I'm gonna bring them zoom in closer. And I just want to do a capacitance test. Now, already the Klein already just it only goes up to 4,000, and the Ideal goes to 6,000. So the Klein may not read this big one right here, which is 1,500 microfarads, and the one next to it right here is 560 microfarads. The one next to that's 2,200 microfarads, 1,500, and the other one is 15. So even though the Klein may not read none of these, I'm gonna see how well the Ideal Industries. No, the Klein would read them. Yeah, it would read it. 1,500, it would do it. That's right. I'm thinking about it. That's 4,000. Okay, so yeah, it'll read it. It'll read it. Okay, so we're gonna just test it out and see. I want to see just how quick it reads it, and you know, I'm put it like this. Just because, how can I say it? I think if I was buying, I guess this simply don't mean that if it's a good or bad meter, because I think both meters are great. I just want to see, just for giggles and laughs, just to see how quick that they respond, response time to charging up that capacitance. I'm gonna let you guys be the judge, and I'm gonna let you guys just leave your comments in the comments below. Okay, so I'm gonna just zoom in a little bit closer, let you guys take a look at the features of the IP60. Ideal Industries, the 61-347, and then we'll just move over to the Klein. Let me turn the light on, this backlight on for you, give you a good look how both of them look with the backlight on. I tell you, I can't say this much. The Klein, the Ideal has a nice bright and backlight with large numeric font, but something about this Klein, the backlight on the Klein, for some reason it just looked much more bolder and clearer to me. I guess out of the two. But if I had to look at the Ideal, I mean, I'm not displeased with the Ideal, but when I compare it against the Klein, let me just zoom out some and let you guys see what I'm talking about. The Klein just looks, to me, just looks much more richer, I guess. You know, to me. So, but let me just get close in on this Klein. Now, I've done individual videos already on both meters. So if you want to check that out on my channel, you can. Okay, so pound for pound, I'm gonna try to put both of them in, and maybe you look at both of them, the features together, and kind of come around the dial, compare yourself. Okay, but both meters are nice, and I just thought it'd be a real good comparison. That's why I'm doing this video, guys. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Ideal first, and I'm going to use the same cables. I'm going to do the feature here for capacitance. So let me discharge. Make sure that this make sure these capacitors are discharged. Let me back out a little bit. I'm gonna start from, since it's the biggest one, I'm gonna start from the biggest one, because I'm anxious to see how it does now. I haven't had a chance to do any of these, so I'm finding out how quick this meter is, just like you are. This is the first time I'm checking this out. Okay, I'm starting off with the 1500 microfarad capacitor. And this is the Ideal industry going first. Here we go. Okay, it's fair enough. So, let me do that again. Okay, let me do that again. Okay. $14.25, and it took a few seconds to get there. Okay, but it's not quick as the Fluke, but it's not slow as this other meter that I put on a video. I did a video about, what was it, AEMC MTX 3290. I think it's a good meter, but it's very slow for testing capacitors. So let me let's do the next one, which is the 560. Yeah, it's still kind of slow. It's, you know, it doesn't just spring into action, but you know, it did read it kind of fast, but we're not, I guess, wasn't as fast as the Fluke. So, and we both know that. So let me just try the Klein, and we'll see. All right, let's try the Klein. Where are we? Okay. Okay. All right. Let's do the 1500 one again, and we'll see just how quick the Klein responds. All right, there we go. $14.55. The Klein went through all kind of changes. It had to zero itself out. unless it discharged the capacitor, but I'm doing that now, so I don't think that's what it was doing, unless it was checking to be, and then a little something left in here and it discharged before it took a reading, but it shorted out. Let's try that again. Okay. I guess you would say it's about the same amount of time it took to respond to come with a measurement. Okay, let's try this. That was a 1500. Let's try the 560 and see how it responds. That was pretty fast, but it did. Let's try it again. Let me try it again. Okay. Okay, it seemed to be a little bit faster that time. I want to say that time was a little bit faster than ideal. Okay, so let me try the one for 2200. And we'll just see how this panned out, okay? I think that did okay. I think it did okay. Let me once more. Let's try it again. That wasn't bad. So let me try the ideal and see how well the ideal does with a 2200 microfarad capacitor. Okay, here we go. Yeah, the Klein got that one. No doubt. The Klein got it. Anyway, so I still think, even so, the Klein seems to be a little bit faster to me as far as testing capacitors. I still think the Ideal Industries voltmeters, for that fact, is a good, a good bang for the buck, I guess so to say. $69 not bad. Half of us electricians, you don't even use the capacitance feature. And HV guys, I don't know how fast that you would like it to work, as long as it, I would rather correctness first. Fast would also be okay with me. But voltmeters are still a good bang for the buck. $69, $80. I mean, yeah, you can't. Yeah, the test leads on both of them are really nice. You get a bag, carry pouch for both of them, thermocouples for both of them. Both of them have hanging straps placed on the back to. Let me just show you. Put your leads. For those of you who don't know, they kind of look similar in the back, as far as the back is concerned. Let me turn them around so you can see what I'm talking about. Now, this one, if you had the one that for Klein, it would fit on the Ideal. It don't fit as secure as it's supposed to, but it would fit. That little notch, that little hanging strap that hooks onto the back of here, it would fit. Both of them have a place for you to store your leads. and both of them have a nice kickstand, tilting bell on it. I don't have any issues with both any of these meters. I just want to do this comparison, that's all, because like I said, I did a comparison earlier, like last week, on some meters with these capacitors. I just want to see how well these two fare out. But you can't go wrong, guys. I give both of these meters an approval, my approval, and it's ideal. Ideal and Klein are known for selling, I guess you would say, budget meters, but high quality budget meters. I have to give it. Klein, this branded, this recently set of meters that they come out with, the MM series, yeah. So I don't know if there's anything else. And both meters use, I think the Klein used 2 AAA batteries to power it up, and that's really cheap. 3, I think this is 3 AAA batteries to power that one up. You can't go wrong, guys. You can't go wrong. So look, don't want to hold you guys up anymore. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Help the channel to grow. And if this is your first time, I welcome you. I hope that you revisit. I hope that you make the decision to join the channel, help the channel to grow. I'm trying to get up to 10,000 subscribers and more. The channel been around for a while, and I thought that I'm just trying to reach that milestone. So again, I'm speaking to all my electrical brothers out there, as well as my tradesmen out there, my technician brothers out HVAC. Help get the channel up, this channel up. You guys take care, and there will be more videos coming, and I'll see you guys then. I'm out.